Hi guys, today we are going to be doing a YouTube video on our new channel, Millie and Ava, and the video is
Siri makes our slime challenge.
So, the first thing we need to add is essential glue. And then we'll add shaving foam, and now we are going to do 1 or 2, and if you choose 1 we'll get shaving foam, if you choose 2 we don't get shaving foam.
Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 10.
A random number between 1 and 10 is 7.
Choose the number between 1 and 2. Hey Siri, choose a number between 1 and 2.
A random number between 1 and 2 is 1.
So we get shaving foam.
Next we mix.
And then the next thing we will do is strawberry, silk and lemon, Brazilian coffee, and Chilean cocoa, which is chocolate, obviously.
Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 4.
A random number between 1 and 4 is 3.
So we get coffee.
Get coffee scented.
So the next thing we will do while Millie's mixing, by the way, this is Millie and this is Eva. And the next thing we will do is we will add, is it glitter or colouring?
I think it's colouring.
So we have 28 colours, which are all here. You might be able to see them, you might not. They all start from there and they come here.
Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 28.
A random number between 1 and 28 is 18.
Oh, so we got navy
shade
blue.
of colour. Do you want to show it to the camera?
So it's like this colour. It's quite nice. It's like a dark navy royal blue. So it's not like navy, it's like royal blue, isn't it?
Mhm.
It's really nice. So just add some of that. Now, I don't know if we're doing 2 colours or 1 colour.
I'm going to show 2.
Okay, 2. Which could go really wrong because we could get a green or we could get a grey. We could get a pink. Actually, and that turn it purple.
Yeah.
That'd be amazing. I think we should add a bit more, shouldn't we? To make it the actual colour.
Right, so should we say hey Siri, picking between 1 and 27? Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 27.
A random number between 1 and 27 is 19.
It's a nice pink.
So we got this shade of pink. It's like a hot pink.
Oh.
Okay. Sorry.
Now it's going to be purple. It's hungry. I need a bit more pink. Next it's glitter.
So I think that needs a bit more pink because we want it to be purple. Right, so that's quite good. I think it's quite nice. It's like blue purple. I really hope we get this one, which is a purple. That's so pretty.
You ready? Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 3.
A random number between 1 and 3 is 1.
Purple.
like that on this one. So that's good. Oh, that's a really nice colour.
But we need a bit more pink to make it. Wait, no. That's probably it.
Oh, that's really nice. And now that it's purple, the beads are purple. So one is we do get beads, and two is we don't get beads.
So hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 2.
A random number between 1 and 10 is 6.
Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 2.
I'm listening.
Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 2.
A random number between 1 and 2 is 2.
Oh, we don't get the beads, which is actually fine, because I don't know. And then the next one is the bicarbonate of soda, which from this you've been seeing that we've been eyeing it, which means we've been like putting it in how we want it. But now we're going to put half of this, which is 5 millilitres,
So,
which will be 2.5 millilitres. So we can either get this one, which is bicarbonate of soda, and this one, which is bicarbonate of soda. But this one's from Asda and this one's from Tesco. So we get to see which one we get. So,
hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Pick a number between 1 and 2.
A random number between 1 and 10 is 6.
Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 2.
The answer is 7.
Pick a number between 1 and 2.
The answer is 1.
so we get this one.
Which is the good one. Huh? Ooh. Just added in the wrong Twitter, but
It's okay. It looks the same. This isn't even half, it's like a quarter, I don't know. We don't want it really good. Actually, if the parents are outside, they can enjoy it.
next is Siri.
Activator. So, activator is essential. You can't do slime without activator. So, we're going to add a bit of that. And then we'll have our slime done. But there's a twist now. Well, what's it? Siri can choose one more thing to add in. So that can either be more activator or shaving foam, which we need activator.
Right, hold on. I'm asking.
Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 2.
A random number between 1 and 2 is 2.
So, this is 1, and this is 2. We get activator! Yay! Hey Siri, thanks.
You're welcome.
Hey Siri, why are lorries red? Wait.
Okay.
Hey Siri, why are fire trucks red?
I know
Well,
this.
it really makes the Dalmatian spot stand out.
I know that spot's it. Why are fire trucks, Siri? Why are fire trucks red?
I'm pretty sure it's to match the big red lights.
It doesn't do it on her phone. It says that
done it before, though.
something like Indians or
Yeah,
like something like that. We'll put it at the end of the video if we get it.
I'll show this to them.
Why are fire trucks red? What's your phone doing?
So this is the slime.
Is there something I can do for you?
Never mind. That'll be it. That'll be. Oh, that looks really good.
I have a feel.
This is really like, look, ready? It's really good. And it doesn't stick to your hands like when you put it on it. So, say thanks to Millie for making the slime. Oh, does it smell like coffee? Your mum might like that.
Oh, it's coffee.
My dad likes decaf coffee, which actually no, he doesn't like coffee.
Some lemon.
No strawberry. Guys, so this is our channel. Ava. No, Millie and Ava, obviously. Yeah, because Millie's older. So,
But like 18 years.
no, by like 3 months. No,
No, but like 6.
I think it's 7 months. Yeah, it's 7 months. So basically, this is gorgeous. So basically, remember to subscribe to our channel, which I hope
If we hit to
10 likes.
10 subscribers.
10 subscribers,
Yeah.
we will get in a freezing cold bath
Yeah.
with ice in it.
And then we'll.
We've already got 1 subscriber.
Who's that?
Natasha.
You don't like them.
What's it? So remember to put the notification bell on. Remember to like this video and remember
To subscribe.
to subscribe. And if you don't, you can't watch our videos. So
Goodbye.
what's it? So what's it? We'll come out with the next video maybe today, later today, or don't know. Later today or tomorrow, which you'll know about, like, because if you have the post notifications on, then you will. So remember, I'm Millie. No, I'm. I'm Ava. That's Millie. Remember. Bye.